Hey YouTube. So today I'm going to be reacting to 4 videos today in this one video. Goku versus Naruto Rap Battle 1 through 3, and then Naruto Bluebird Freestyle. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Well, this should be interesting.
This is time!
And so says Jay Carter, okay.
I can't believe someone ate all of the ramen. I swear I'm gonna find whoever did this and drag their ass.
Wow.
Then I'm gonna throw a kunai in their butthole and out their life. Huh? Who the hell are you? I'm Goku, the Gokage of the village hidden in the bars.
Gokage. Really?
Okay, spiky hair. I don't know what a bar is, but I'm gonna walk up in the leaf, bitch. Goku make your girl queef. Queef, queef.
Oh my God.
Gokage in these streets. Kamehameha on the beat. And that'll be all of my meat. Yeah. And then I ski. You skated on Hinata? That was some heat, huh? Sasuke!
Oh my God.
Goku, stop toying with Naruto. I don't think he wants that smoke, Sasuke. Give him all of the smoke. Why are we talking about smoke? I don't get it. Goku in the leaf. Yeah. Sasuke told me bring the heat. Bring it. Sharingan looking sweet. Naruto looking weak. Should've keep blasted your cheeks. Like yeet. Naruto, you's a bitch. And not a playing you. Nintendo Switch. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Act up. I pull the stick. Pull it. Put the power ball. Where? In your cheek.
Oh my God.
No! Leave Hinata out of this! Damn it! His rap jutsu is too strong!
His rap jutsu?
Plus he has Sasuke as his hype man!
Say, fam.
Guy Sensei?
God damn it. Oh my God, he just doesn't look... My guy just doesn't look good as an African American person. I'm sorry, he just doesn't look good. Like, oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
I'm his brother, Mighty Black Guy.
Mighty Black
It's
Guy.
him!
Are you serious?
The black one!
The black one.
The black one? It said that he once rap battled all 3 rap sages at the same
Oh, so this is supposed to be like, he's the chosen one. Oh my God.
time!
Really?
And clapped their cheeks! Clapped their cheeks?
Naruto, I once rap battled all 3 rap sages at the same time.
Really?
And I clapped their cheeks.
Wait, so you're the legendary cheek-clapping rap shinobi?
Yes, and I'll be your hype man, Naruto. Now show him how the least shinobi dropped that rap jutsu.
Deadass! Believe it! Fuck you and Sasuke!
Fuck 'em.
Chi-Chi told me I'ma be Hokage! She put a show on for a ninja, Broadway! Then I
Rasengan.
on your broad's face!
Alright,
I might throw a kunai!
throw it.
It might hit you in your eye!
Yeah.
Jutsu, hand signs on sight!
On site.
Naruto and my boy Black Guy!
Let me talk to him. Hey, it's your boy Black Guy. I made Chi-Chi bust down in the leaf last night. Go ahead and
down,
ask her.
Chi-Chi.
She got no sleep last night. Me and Lee, we clapped her cheeks just right.
Chichiana, damn.
Yeah, that, I'm out. Hey, Sasuke, where you going? That flute, though. Wow, that's a little intimidating. Wait, y'all trying to jump? Cause I do not play that shit.
Oh, we all like that. Alright. Let's see, part 2. Okay. Oh boy. Naruto.
Whoa, he has blonde hair now.
Am I tripping, fam, or does he kind of look like the 4th Hokage?
I'm about to sun your ass. What? You finna get sunned. You ninjas is done. Spirit bomb your whole village, then go get Hinata and squeeze on her buns. Gokage
Oh
back
my
at
God.
it, cashing checks. Now, money. Naruto about to get stretched out, bitch. Stretched out?
Well, Naruto, he got in your ass. And I mean really got in there. Real deep. He basically entered inside your anus and threw kunai in every direction.
Okay, I get it.
Please, so that's
Shit.
you're making it sound
Do
gay.
not talk to my sensei like that. Or you
Oh my God! Why? No, no. That's bad enough you did with my guy, but Rock Lee too. Come on, man. Oh man, no, not Rock Lee.
will
too.
get clapped up.
Rock Lee?
It's Black Lee to you,
Black Lee to
motherfucker.
you.
Damn,
Black
I
Lee
like
a
him.
robot.
Check that
Black
shit,
Lee
Lee.
to you.
My bad, sensei.
This guy is spitting fire all over the Leaf Village. And I'm afraid he may take Hinata from me. We can't let that happen.
Oh boy.
Look, Nine Tails leave you shook.
Hey,
Chi-Chi called me over cause she said she about to cook.
cook.
And now you mad cause we sexting. Substitution jutsu, is she pregnant?
If she's pregnant, we leave. Or just blame it on Lee. Either way, Chi-Chi is taking ninja PP. We might swing on you, taijutsu on sight.
Tell him, sensei.
Bring a pillow, you will go night-night.
Black Lee don't play, ho.
No.
Open up 8 gates, ho. We'll let the AK go.
Do
but
it.
taijutsu my way, ho. Might do a leaf hurricane on your chick. Then tell her come here and hop on some ninja dick.
Oh.
Hey, no fair. That's 3 on 1. And 2 of you are black. Hey, don't you judge them by the color of their skin. Come on, you know black people be spitting.
Yeah, he's
I
got
am in
a
agreement.
point. Us black folks got bars.
I spit so much heat that even with bushy eyebrows, I still get hoes.
Damn right.
Orochimaru got
Do you mind if I slither in a few raps?
Wow.
Lame.
Get your snakehead ass out of here.
yeah.
I
Really.
guess I could use a teammate, but you better spit fire or that's your ass. Back in the cut. Goku about to strut. Super Saiyan Gokage. Yeah. Not a leaf on my nuts. Kamehameha, you gon' blow up. Damn. And I was stronger than you back when Raditz showed up. Pull snakes out and kill you. Hey. Orochimaru and Goku. Hey. Naruto, you're a hoe, dude. Bust Glocks. Pew pew.
Pew, pew.
What is he doing?
This guy is obviously on some kind of ecstasy. When your damn
like
tongue up.
He's a sick fuck.
Don't let it touch you, Lee. It's disgusting.
Wait. Oh my God. Stop Orochimaru. Please. Thank you, Vegeta. Thank you. The Naruto, the first name, yeah.
Let's get these fools, Vegeta.
Now, part 3.
Spider-Man swing. He don't show no.
Oh, you got a game channel? Okay, great.
Oh my god!
The Saiyan Akatsuki? Oh, hell to the no, we are out of here.
Hairline's way too far back.
What?
Vegeta just activate the Mangekyo Sharingan? What the
What the f? How did we get here?
Oh, it's not Genji. Like, how do you teleport him with Mangekyo Sharingan? It's just, you know.
I'm the prince of all Saiyans, and you know I do my thing. Pull up on the leaf and hit it with a big bang. Yamcha probably beat you with a fucking wolf fang. Tail Sasuke, the Sakura's on my wing.
Liar! Sakura doesn't even like chicken wings!
She's talking about his meat.
Huh?
Now bow before the prince and kiss my feet.
Huh?
But yeah, bow
Vegeta.
before the prince,
Oh,
man.
and kiss Kakarot's feet as well.
Hell yeah!
Got you, Kakarot!
You a real one.
I've been real since day one.
Damn it. Spiky hair was already coming with the heat. And now, he has this guy with the f***ed up hairline to help him. Just look at it. Look at his hairline. Who designed his character? His hairline is fucked!
You've got to be f***ing kidding me.
Sasuke?
Naruto, stop crying, you loser.
I can't believe you came back.
Yeah, I don't care. You know what jutsu we have to do to win, right?
Right! Black Jutsu!
Did you Black Jutsu really?
What the fuck?
Black...
Black Jutsu. That was good. Oh my god, man. They gonna say Black Jutsu.
Naruto drip sauce, no cap. Uzumaki hands, give your ass a power nap.
Black Sasuke, do some jutsu on your chick. Then run up on her, hit her from the back real quick.
Nigga.
Let's just blow him up, Kakarot!
No, Vegeta! We can do this! They may be black and blessed with extraordinary hip-hop ability.
Really?
But I'm black too.
What?
From the waist down.
What?
Goku bout to spit, yeah I'm rich. Pull up with a ninja thought, and she thick, she your chick, and she bout to give me wop. Get a pic, comb your shit, cause it's nappy on the top. Move a brick, he's sick, make it nada do the splits.
Now to do the splits, do it for the friends, Sasuke got no friends, final flash your shins, call me Veggie Kage, ooh, I might catch a body, ooh, when I kill Sasuke, ooh, with a key blast entree, ooh.
Key blast entree.
Now I know good and damn well this nigga ain't talking about entrees.
Yeah, they tripping, bro, but it ain't even worth it,
Nah,
though,
nigga,
bro.
I'm heated.
Bro, it ain't worth
He
it.
got me heated.
Bro, just
Face
chill,
mode.
bro.
Give me the strap.
Bro, you gonna catch a case over these niggas, bro?
Go get him.
Let's just rap battle them, cuz.
Fine. Black Naruto, throw a kunai at a same. Fuck a PS5, cause a ninja don't be playing. And when I do a jutsu, you know Chi-Chi get moist. And she scream Naruto in a high-pitched voice.
Black
Oh my
Sasuke,
God.
chakra on display. Mama just told me I'm her babe. Fireball jutsu.
Fireball Jutsu.
Flame. You saying ain't shit, it's a shame.
Well, damn, they killed it.
Yeah, that was heat.
What can you say?
Beautiful.
Absolute fire.
Respect.
Oh, we.
Give him a hug, Vegeta.
Nope.
Play that flute, cuz.
Flute? Hey!
Shit, fire, Kakarot! Hey! Hey! Play that shit! Yeah! You better play it, goddammit!
And then Bluebird Freestyle video. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one.
I feel like God, I'm a Kage. Whoa, busting my ass and no off days. Whoa, me, I've been working, I grind from the ground, and now you see my dripping so Kage. Kage, no tell me, Kasame. Never have breaks, no off days. Bitch, my drip hoe. Look, boy, I'm a legend, but bound my presence. Don't test me, I'm ready. My drip like Hokage. See you and I, we both had nothing in common. I move like Kakashi, I do shit to bro. Let's go. John Shinobi from the unknown said I gotta show that I'm with it. I got gusto, not tell false. I kill them, we all cut thoughts. Had to put the work in, show what the work is. Came up from the bottom, now I'm up though. Ay, stuck up in the trenches, now I'm on my lit shit. Give me serious, one punch, oh, what the fuck, ayy. Pass out the race, gotta show 'em I'm playing when I ain't above the stakes. High like a satellite, we can get a scrapping right there. With the team, we can run up the fade. Sold out a young lame, I said one day flex with a team, they love what I say. And when I'm showing up, no one that's cold as a guarantee. I'ma go fuck up the game. Kage, running from the bottom to the top place. Young little legend from the village to the my way. Now they tryna copy like a catchy doing cosplay. Putting into work, got me feeling like Yahweh. Y'all waiting for the Messiah, y'all with the God play. Y'all better stop, y'all better watch. Came through flooded, come on, drip, Hokage,
I like the video. Is that it? Oh, that's it. That was good. That was good. I was jamming to that. Alright. That's it for the video, guys. I'll link all the videos I reacted to in the description. Always make sure and go like and subscribe to them, and like and subscribe here if you like this video. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace, y'all.
戻らないと言って目指した